channel. This is Dr. Uchenna. In this video, I want to talk about the law of attraction, how it really works and how to use it to your benefit. Well, the truth is that we are always attracting things, whether we like it or not, whether we're conscious of it or not. It's not just a new age kind of spiritual mumbo jumbo. It's one of the realities of life, and it's something that we do either consciously or unconsciously. So it makes more sense for you to do it consciously, to practice it consciously, basically. So what is the law of attraction? It's our ability, to create a life that we desire from the inside on the outside. Now, how do we create this kind of life that we're looking for? I'm guessing that everybody's working towards well-being and happiness and fulfillment in life. So these are the main things that we use to measure our success in life. So how do we attract this kind of life that we're looking for? Now, the truth, number one, I'll give you seven different modalities of the law of attraction. The first thing there is that you don't attract what you want. Let's say you want a 5-bedroom house or something. You're not going to attract the 5-bedroom house just like that. You're going to attract it based on these other things I'm going to mention now. These are the real core things that attract what you want for you. Now, you attract who you are. So, what do I mean by that? What I mean is that you attract based on your level of authenticity. So, the more you are authentic, the more you're going to attract whatever it is you're desiring based on your authenticity. So, who you are on the inside will determine what you get on the outside. Who you are, of course, is a very big topic. It's the confidence that you have, the courage that you have, the belief you have in yourself. All the other things I'm going to mention are going to be part of that. So, who are you at the real core of yourself? Do you know who you are? That is the real question. Do you believe that you're the body and your job, your titles and your family and everything around you? Is that who you really think you are? And if that's who you think you are, you're still going to attract, which, I mean, you've been attracting already based on that conception of yourself. The second one is that we attract what we fear. Scary, but it's true. So if you're afraid of certain things in life, of doing things, of being yourself, then the fear limits the kind of things that we can attract into our life, because the law of attraction requires courage. It requires the courage to be authentic. So if you're afraid of being your true self outside, and you go outside wearing spiritual masks, trying to fit in, trying to please people, trying to do all those kind of things, then you're putting roadblocks for the law of attraction to work. Now, if you clear those fears, you start attracting things faster, and they start coming to you easier. But remember, you don't control the outcome. The outcome is going to come based on these things I'm talking about now. Then you attract what you are ready for. What do I mean by what you're ready for? I mean what you're ready for on the inside. Still goes back again to your beliefs about yourself. Are you really ready for that abundance? Are you ready for the plenty money that you're asking for? If you get it today, what are you even going to do with it? Are you going to waste it? Are you prepared for what you're asking for? you need to be ready for what you're asking for. You can't just be asking for things that are not within your capacity to manage. How are you even managing the small one that you have? How are you living your life today? Are you living it as if you are abundant? So we're looking for abundance. We're looking for, but are you managing the abundance that you have now? That will show whether you're even ready for more or not. Are you managing the air that you're breathing? What are you doing with it? The food that you have, how are you nourishing your body with it? The small things you have now, are you grateful for them? So if you get the big one, what are you going to do with it? I mean, you need to be able to manage it before you get it. And the universe, already knows your capacity, what you can manage really, and you also know it too. And you can't pretend to yourself. So you attract who you are, you attract what you fear, you attract what you are prepared for. Life has been preparing you. So you're going to attract what you're ready for now. And you will know that you're more ready, by the desire, the hunger that's within you for personal development, for spiritual growth, for improvement. You will know it by your daily activities, what you do every day. Your burning desire will show how ready you are for what you're looking for. Then number 4, you attract the energy that you give off, all related. If you have a burning desire, a passion, and you're acting on it, your thoughts are filled with self-improvement, self-knowledge, self-realization. You're working on your goals, you're working towards what you want. Your focus is always on what you want. You're giving it your full attention. That is energy. The energy, the vibration comes from the focus that you're giving to what you're doing, comes from the energy, comes from the dedication, comes from the commitment that you're putting into what you're doing. That is the energy that you're going to give off. Wherever you go, you're going to give off that energy. Because if you keep doing it every day, then it becomes you. That is who you are. And that is what you will attract. Then number 5, you're going to attract what you believe to be true. So your deepest beliefs, your unconscious beliefs, if you don't bring it up to consciousness, you keep attracting exactly what you believe. So if you believe that you're not enough, if you believe that you don't have enough knowledge to make a YouTube video, but you're still making the YouTube video, but you're doing it with fear, well, you're better off than the person that doesn't even try. But your level of attraction is going to reflect there. The level of attraction reflects exactly what we believe to be true about ourselves. If we don't believe that we deserve that abundance inside of us, we don't believe that. I mean, I'm not Chimamanda Adichie. I'm not Barack Obama. I'm not Deepak Chopra. So who am I to talk about anything? I'm not this person that I see on YouTube every day. They are better than me. I don't know enough. These are limiting beliefs I'm telling you now that a lot of people are carrying around. I'm not good enough to do this. I still need to learn. I need to practice something. I still need to learn something before I start doing this. Let me just watch these people doing it first. Then I will learn how to do it. What are the other things that we tell ourselves? I'm not ready for this. I'm not good at this. And we are the only ones telling ourselves all these things, all these negative things. So you're going to, and if you believe them deep inside your core, then that's simply what you're going to attract. You're not going to attract anything better than that. Even if you're looking for a job, you will not be looking for a $100,000 job. You'll be looking for a $10,000 job, because within your mind you believe that that's what you deserve, and you don't deserve. You cannot, like, it shouldn't be you. That other big thing is meant for other people, not for you. I can't have 1 million followers on YouTube or Facebook or wherever, because the people that are doing it are special. They were handed something by God that made them able to do it. These are the negative beliefs. You're going to attract, yeah, it's almost the same thing. What you think most of the times. So your thought process, your thought is a filter already, you know, from your subconscious, it comes to the thoughts, and from there, you know, the brain filters the one that you believe and brings it up and, you know, processes it. All the other ones, it doesn't really, doesn't have time to process them because there are too many. About 70,000 or so thoughts run through our minds in a day. And the ones that we capture, the ones that really make sense to us, are the ones that keep us alive, you know, every day. So if you're not conscious of what you're thinking about, if you don't think about what you're thinking about, then your thoughts will take you over. And your thoughts will reflect in your action. And your action will reflect in your reflection. Finally, you're going to attract what you feel. So your emotions really matter. What you feel in your body every day. If it's fear that you're feeling, you will attract the fear. If it is lack that you're feeling, you will attract the lack. Whatever you feel in your body, if you're feeling anxious or whatever, it will attract more depression and, you know, more sad, more sorrow into your life. So you have a choice to do it. You have a choice. You can influence what you're attracting. And I hope after this video that you have a rethink about it. So thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.